In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do spot trading on the Binance mobile app, the best way to buy any crypto. Spot trading is one of the most straightforward methods to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, and using the Binance mobile app makes it even more accessible. Let's go through the process step by step to make sure you're ready to trade efficiently and confidently. First things first, open up your Binance app and log in. If you're new to Binance, you'll need to create an account, but for today we're assuming you're already set up and ready to go. Once you're logged in, navigate to the bottom of your screen and tap on the trade icon. From there, select Spot. Spot trading is where you can buy or sell cryptocurrencies immediately at the current market price, which is ideal for immediate transactions and quick trading decisions. Next, you'll need to search for the crypto you want to purchase. Whether you're eyeing Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other cryptocurrency, use the search bar to input the abbreviation of the coin. For example, enter BTC for Bitcoin or ETH for Ethereum to locate your desired trading pair. Once you've found the cryptocurrency you're interested in, tap on it to proceed. Now tap the buy button. Here, you'll need to decide how much you want to spend. You can either enter the exact amount of crypto you're interested in buying, or specify the amount of fiat currency you'd like to use. Binance provides flexibility in how you handle your transactions, so choose the option that aligns with your financial planning. You'll then need to decide on the type of order you want to place, market or limit. If you choose market, your transaction will occur instantly at the current market price, perfect if you want to execute a trade on the spot without waiting. Alternatively, if you choose limit, you can set a specific price at which you're willing to buy. Your order will only be filled once the market reaches that price level. This option offers more control over your purchase but requires a bit more patience. Finally, once you're satisfied with all your selections, confirm the order to complete your purchase. At this point, if you've chosen market, your transaction will be processed immediately. If you've opted for a limit order, your request will be queued until it can be fulfilled under the conditions you specified. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you can execute spot trades right from your phone, anywhere, anytime. This makes managing your cryptocurrency investments effortlessly convenient. Remember, the crypto market is volatile, so always stay informed and trade wisely. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful crypto tips and tutorials.